Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your party's details on the BACH application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen and then click on the settings button in the upper right corner of the screen. And then you should click on the edit party details button at the top. Here you can set the party's name down below, and you can select whether it's a bachelorette or a bachelor party, or this batch is for everyone. Then click on the update party button down below, tap on this arrow, and then you can add an optional party name. You can set the destination by selecting it from this section. You can also edit the start and end date, and then the estimated party size. You can add the party vibe as well, and the wedding date can be set too. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.